Okay, YouTubers, this is Danset, and I'm unboxing my Amanda Panda Kawaii Crush. And my Kitty Meow Meow from the Collie Pet Collection. So, okay. Ooh, sorry, my camera fell. I just got these a couple seconds ago from Walmart. I'm just gonna rip the whole box open because I'm in a hurry. I don't have much time. See? Wait, can you see it? Kitty cat meow meow. I'm trying to make sure you can see it in the camera. Hold on. A yarn looking skirt and cat ear headband. They also came with this hat, like this little headband. Oh, hold on. This little headband for the cat. The cat's right here. And that was me opening Kitty Meow Meow. She feels so soft and rubbery. Okay, now opening Amanda Panda. Oh, and one thing I almost forgot. It comes with a Kawaii Crush sticker. I think that's cool. Every pack comes with one. Man, I guess I'm opening this box way better than others. Well, sorta. See, Kawaii Crush sticker again. Amanda Panda. See, here's little Miss Amanda Panda with her nice, wonderful hair. The hat for her pet. Here's her cuddly pet, little panda. Her panda hat. Her Pandalicious hat. Okay, and some pants. Now, so these are my Kawaii Crush characters, and on the next video I will show you guys my collections. Well, you won't see every collection in one video. It's just like going to be a collection for like one thing, which I'm going to make a collection for my Smurfs, since I love Smurfs because they're just Smurfalicious. Now, bye.